Physical jobs take an immense toll on the body, and an initial disability denial can feel like a dead end. But with the right strategies, blue collar workers can often turn that SSDI denial into an approval on appeal. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I will share some strategies for physical workers appealing an SSDI denial, including how to use the Social Security Administration's grid rules, how to document your work history, and how to present medical evidence that clearly shows why you cannot return to your past demanding jobs. For physical workers over age 50, and especially those over age 55, the Social Security Administration's medical vocational guidelines, commonly called the grid rules, are often your biggest legal advantage. These rules recognize that if you have spent your life doing strenuous, physically demanding labor, it is unrealistic to expect you to start all over and learn a brand new sedentary desk trade this late in your career. To win your appeal, though, your paperwork must explicitly focus on how your injuries or illnesses completely rule out your ability to do heavy lifting or prolonged standing, leaving you without transferable skills for an office environment. Initial denials frequently happen because the medical records lack specific functional details. To win a reconsideration, which is the first phase of appeal, and we are currently seeing that take about an average of 3 to 5 months, you must submit fresh, detailed evidence. Gather updated doctor's notes, physical therapy logs, and recent imaging results like MRIs or X-rays that clearly document your injuries. Do not rely on a diagnosis alone. Request a statement from your treating doctor detailing your exact physical restrictions, such as patient is unable to carry over 20 pounds or bend repetitively due to advanced lumbar spinal stenosis. A compelling appeal must also show a direct conflict between your current physical abilities and the heavy tasks that were required by your past employment. The Social Security Administration recently updated its regulations and now only evaluates your past relevant work from the last 5 years, not the last 15. For your recent roles, do not list a vague title like laborer. Be incredibly specific about the heavy tasks required, such as constantly lifted 75-pound materials and spent 9 hours a shift on concrete floors. Then explain why your conditions make those specific tasks physically impossible now. If your reconsideration request is turned down, you will request a hearing before an administrative law judge. While waiting for a hearing date can take an average of 8 to 12 months due to backlogs, this stage is historically where older blue-collar workers see their highest rates of approval. Organize your medical records and practice explaining your limitations clearly. Instead of saying, "My shoulder is shot," practice saying, "My rotator cuff tear prevents me from being able to lift heavy tools or from reaching overhead." Because a hearing is a formal legal proceeding that involves cross-examining vocational witnesses, you may not want to go through it alone. Partnering with a disability attorney can help ensure that your 5-year work history and your medical records are presented in a way that aligns with the regulations and the guidelines. You only have 60 days from your denial to file your appeal, so it's critical that you move quickly. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.